In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a recipient from your account. This process is simple and quick, so let's dive in. First, you're going to need to log into your account. Make sure you're on a secure, trusted device when you enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. If you have multiple accounts, ensure that you are in the correct account from which you want to remove the recipient. Next, navigate to the section labeled either Recipients or Manage Recipients. You can usually find this as part of your account's main navigation menu. This area houses all the people or entities you can send information, payments, or communications to. It's designed to make your communication process smoother, but sometimes you need to make adjustments. Once you're in the recipient management section, you'll see a list of names, emails, or other identifiers of your recipients. Take a moment to locate the specific recipient you want to delete. It's crucial to double check that you have chosen the right person, as deleting a recipient is irreversible. Look for unique identifiers like email addresses or usernames that can help you confirm that you're choosing the correct person. When you found the recipient you wish to remove, you'll typically see a delete button or a trash icon next to their name. This symbol is usually easy to spot, but if you're having trouble, hover over or click around the recipient's details until you see the option appear. Click on this button or icon and you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. The confirmation step is there for your protection, making sure you really want to delete this recipient. It's a safeguard against accidental deletions, which could lead to a loss of contact information. A pop-up or dialog box will usually appear asking for your confirmation, often with options such as yes, delete, or cancel. Make sure to read this confirmation prompt carefully. If you're absolutely certain about your choice, click to confirm. If you've changed your mind, you can always cancel and go back to the list. And just like that, you've successfully deleted a recipient from your account. If you need to, you can repeat this process to remove any other recipients. Remember to regularly manage your recipients to ensure your list is up to date and only includes those you currently need to communicate with. Keeping your account organized not only streamlines your processes but also enhances security by ensuring only trusted contacts remain on your list. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.